After 90 minutes of football action, the Splash Adakwaja Training Center, Kumasi Asante Kotoko 3, RAINMASTERS Football Club 1. In a match, in the first half, RAINMASTERS for no to Atene Dikai. Now, Kumasi Asante Kotoko had to complete a comeback and a Kotoko in the needed win. What it means, they say, in the two friendly games, I also friendly. Preseason mono Krobia Sante Kotoko. Still now you undefeated. I can't remember since league the baby Kotoko won the last game against Bofo Kwatano or Bavaria Sports Stadium. No, still Kotoko remaining undefeated in all games. Our ball now starting 11 of game and a share a Dekoja Training Center. Hono a Frederick Asare and a start and Emmanuel Kote Ejinem. About 2 X-Mart, about 3 Ablo Joseph and Samba O'Neill were the center backs. Tinedu and Emmanuel Entry and Peter Amidou Aqua Saka, yes, and Albert Amwa and Elvis Chebafo and a striker Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Tinedu Emmanuel Entry Peter Amidou Aqua and a Saka ebo midfield and a Elvis Chebafo and Albert Amwa a striker for Kotoko. In the first half, you say game and I said not too long ago, and the RAINMASTERS Football Club no enya bobi on them latras ho and no more and no the ben finfina pa on ball first goal against Krobia Asante Kotoko. So and Albert Amwa say share Krobia and I only a bit agro no. Emmanuel Nchinyabo bitwiche ya lay pass and player your friend Albert Amwa take Kanoma Kumasi Asante Kotoko man be 1-1. It's ebe 1-1 no. Few minutes later and Peter Amidou Aqua the informed Peter Amidou Aqua to say Yanyan and a German club cry no. But this is rest on Kumasi Asante Kotoko. So Obemanako and as obi developing over here. Take Kano for and I say Oma Kotoko a take lead no Peter Amidou Aqua ebe 2-1 for Kumasi Asante Kotoko. Ukuma pema by Samutu Yemfan Kuchalotu Sana ekoye inti in the second half ena yebaye ena Saka Dauda did the final goal ebaya 3-1 in favor of Krobia Asante Kotoko. Yes, inti after that no go bia mbebio. Next week about 5 days more Kotoko ni media ma eno de full friendly game, competitive one ewo TNA new stadium ewo Takwa. Details before that game no